data that contain a lot. Data analytics can help to better understand of big data analytics. Each huge data are stored and analyzed. Big data are data that contain a large number of varieties arriving in increasing volumes and with greater velocity. In 2001, Doug Laney, then a data analyst at consultancy Meta Group Corporation, defined big data by 3 V's: variety, volume, and velocity. Gartner popularized this concept after acquiring Meta Group and hiring Laney in 2005. Big data are data which are so huge in size, fast, and complex that it becomes difficult or impossible to process using traditional methods. For example, emails, internet, medical records, transaction processing systems, customer databases, documents, social networks, etc. constitute big data. Big data analytics is the use of advanced analytic techniques used for big data from different sources and different sizes, from terabytes to zettabytes. Data analysts, data scientists, statisticians, and other analytic professionals collect, process, clean, and analyze the growing volume of transaction data. Big data analytics can help to better understand the information contained within the data and help to identify the data that are most important for future decisions. Nowadays, big data analytics is a challenge. Data of different formats, structured, unstructured, and semi-structured, collected across the entire organization in many different ways, different types of data are required to be combined, contrasted, and analyzed to find patterns and other information. The first challenge in this direction is in breaking down data silos to access all data that are stored in different places and in different systems. Then the next challenge is to create platforms to bring unstructured data. These data are so voluminous that it is generally difficult to process using traditional database and available software. Choosing the right tools is the third challenge, as selecting from vast array of big data analytic tools and platforms are available in the market may be confusing. Users must know how to select the best tool that aligns with their needs and infrastructure. It is the result of big data analytics today that human DNA is decoded in minutes. Genes most likely responsible for certain diseases are determined. The places where terrorists plan to attack are predicted. Which advertisements one is most likely to respond to, and to enable one to predict many such cases like these. The application of big data provides solutions to almost every sector, like business, healthcare, banking, education, etc. Almost every business company at present uses big data for future planning by predicting how people will live and what they will buy. On the basis of big data analytics, these companies try to uncover the hidden patterns and trends which are helpful to know more about customer behavior. On the basis of big data analytics, companies get new directions for innovation and competitive advantages by being early to launch products and services not yet widely available. In fact, the evolution of big data services today has brought a stir in the marketing field. Today, by collecting massive troves of data, it can be known what large number of customers search for, click on, and like. Big data are used by medical doctors to help diagnose illness and medical conditions in patients. In addition to it, data from electronic health records, social media sites, web, and other such sources help government agencies to get up-to-date information on infectious diseases that threat or outbreak. It is the requirement of banks today to find uncommon and unconventional ways to manage big data, as massive amount of data that are inflowing from innumerable sources. It is essential to examine customer requirements, render services according to their specifications, and reduce risk while sustaining regulatory compliances. Various stock exchanges generate everyday huge data. For example, the New York Stock Exchange generates about 1 terabyte of new trade data every day. One can imagine that at this rate, how much data there would be to be processed in a whole year. Big data are utilized by the government agencies for managing their various workings, managing utilities, dealing with traffic jams, reducing the effect of crime, the government of India, in course of Aadhaar card preparation, has a record of 1.21 billion citizens. These huge data are stored and analyzed to find out several information, such as the number of youths in the country, according to which several schemes are made to target the maximum population. All these big data can't be stored in some traditional database. And so, for its storing and analyzing, big data analytics are required. Google is perhaps the most famous company that uses big data. It receives billions of such requests every day on its search engine. in addition to having access to user information through its Chrome browser. The company uses this data to modify its algorithms, getting better at fundamental search tasks such as correcting misspellings and understanding what users are trying to search for. To name some other well-known companies that use big data and take advantages of its are Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, Facebook, YouTube, Zomato, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, and many others. Big data analytics is indeed a revolution in the field of information technology. The use of data analytics by various companies is increasing every year. It helps large companies to facilitate their growth and development. One that uses big data analytics may only think of being in race of today's competition. There would not be any exaggeration if it is said that those who command data would rule the world. Thank you.